Alright, today we're gonna do a dance tutorial on how to do the $1 million baby dance that's going super viral on TikTok at the moment. It's short, but it's really fun to dance, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Okay, so the first bit we're gonna learn, I'm just gonna show you a quick preview. It goes like this. Boom, and boom, and. Okay, let me break that down. What you wanna do is a prep, putting up your arms out like this, facing your right-ish corner. And from here, what you wanna do is you wanna pull in, and at the same time, you wanna lift up your left leg like that, okay? So prep, pull, lift, okay? If you want to, you can bend your right leg slightly to give it more effect when you pull in, okay? A, that's basically what I'm doing. Now from here, what you want to do is do the roll thing. You want to think right, left, okay? Right, left, I'm exaggerating so you can see. Right, left. Try that a million times. Right, left. And once you can do it fast, you can just try to do it smaller, more subtle, all right? And remember, you're going from here to over here. Where? Right, left. Okay? Once you're over here, you want to pull in again and lift up your right leg this time. And you can bend your left if you want to. Okay? Let me recap. So I did prep, pull, right, left, pull, and then down. Let me explain the timing as well. So the lyrics go, never rep a set, baby, cap, and. That's what we're trying to hit. Okay, let's try and practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm gonna sing never rep a set. All right? 5, 6, 7, 8. Never rep a set, baby, cap, and. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Never rep a set, baby, cap, and. Let's try one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Never rep a set, baby, cap, and. Okay, moving on to mini section 2. Let me show you a quick preview. Goes like this. Wah. Alright, let me explain. It's actually super easy. You want to use your right arm and go here, down. Okay, so you want to hit 3 different levels and then you want to bring it down. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, down. At the same time, you also want to say step. Okay, let me recap. So we go 1, 2, 3, down. Now, as for the timing, it goes, ain't do no wrong, I could clean. Okay, let me just show you guys, just watch. Ain't do no wrong, I could clean. All right, let's try and practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna sing, ain't do no wrong, I could clean. Okay, just a bit slower. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ain't do no wrong, I could clean. Let's try that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ain't do no wrong, I could clean. A bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ain't do no wrong, I could clean. Alright guys, let's try and do mini section 1 and mini section 2. Let me start with a recap with mini section 1 and 2. So it goes like this. I ain't never rep a set, baby, cap, and do no wrong, I could clean. Alright, let me sing and then I'm gonna sing. Let me count 5, 6, 7, 8 and then I'm gonna sing. I ain't never said that. 5, 6, 7, 8. I ain't never rep a set, baby, cap, I ain't do no wrong, I could clean. Let's try that again a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. I ain't never rep a set, baby, cap, and do no wrong, I could clean. Alright, moving on to mini section 3. Let me show you a quick preview. Goes like this. Boom and ha. Now let me explain. So the arm, right arm, you want to go swing here. Okay? Swing here. Now the next thing you want to do is say swing. Here you bring up your left and then you want to say left, right. Okay, so just watch me do it. Swing, right, left, right. Swing, right, left, right. Just try to do that a million times. Swing, right, left, right. Swing, right, left, right. All right, do it at your own pace if you need to. Once you can do that, what you want to do is include the legs as well. Okay, so when I swing, I want to take a step back with my right here. All right, so it's more like a tap because I want to move right away back here. Okay, let me show it from a different angle. All right, let's pretend this is my front. Okay, you're watching from the side. What I want to do is I want to go swing back. Okay, and then I want to continue this over here. Okay, and just show you again from where you're watching from the side. I'm going swing, ha, ha, ha. Let me show you again. Swing, ha, ha, ha. Let me show it to the front again. Okay, so I'm facing you now. Swing, ha, ha, ha. Okay, if you want to, you can include the heel here. I'm just flicking it out with my arms as well. I think that's better. Up to you. Okay, recap. Prep, swing, ha, ha, ha. All right, right, left, right. Now, timing-wise, it goes good for your cap. Okay, just watch, I'm doing it again. Good for your cap. All right, time to practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go good for your cap. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good for your cap. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good for your cap. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good for your cap. Alright guys, I feel like we should try and practice 1, 2, 3. Alright, so I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna practice. Okay, so a quick recap, it goes like this. I represent baby car and do no wrong. I can clean good for your car. Okay, time to practice. I'm gonna count 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm gonna sing I never represent. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. I never represent baby car and do no wrong. I can clean up good for your car. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. I never represent baby car and do no wrong. I can clean good for your car. Alright, feel free to practice some more if you need to, but if you're ready to move on, then let's move on to minute section 4. Alright, minute section 4, let me show you a quick preview. Goes like this. Right from wrong, cause I wanna make it so badly, $1 million baby. Okay, let me explain. So from here, what you wanna do is just go point with your right, and then your left. And then with your right, you want to do a scoop here, down, boom, all the way up, and then do a flex with your right, and then you switch to your left, and then both, and you're basically done. Okay, that's pretty fast, but it's also a simple move. So let me just rewind here and do a recap. So what I did is like right, left, scoop, and then you do the flexing thing. First right, first left, both, and that's it. Okay, just watch me do it. I do right, left, scoop, flex right, flex left, flex both. Now, as for the timing, it goes right from wrong, cause I wanna make it, boom, so badly, $1 million. All right, time to practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go right from wrong. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right from wrong, cause I wanna make it doom so badly, $1 million. Let's just start one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right from wrong, cause I wanna make it boom so badly, $1 million. Okay, time to do the full dance from the tip to top. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna practice. Okay, recap. It goes, I ain't never represent baby car and do no wrong. I could clean it good for your car. And right from wrong, cause I wanna make it so badly $1,000,000. Okay, time to practice, guys. I'm gonna go 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm gonna sing I ain't never represent 5, 6, 7, 8. I ain't never represent baby car and do no wrong. I could clean good for your car. Right from wrong, cause I wanna make it boom so badly, na 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 na. Try that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. I ain't never represent baby car and do no wrong. I could clean good for your car and right from wrong, cause I wanna make it boom badly, da da na na. And final, where we do it fast, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. I never represent baby car and do no wrong. I could clean up good for your car and right from wrong, cause I wanna make it boom so badly, na 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 na. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.